hope you've had the chance to print this out. This is going to go in your spiral. We're on properties of parallel lines. Postulate 10 states that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. The notes on these 2 pages are going to mirror the activity that we did yesterday, and these just are some pictures to go along with what we did. So if you look at this here, you can see that angle 1, which is right here, and angle 2 are corresponding, and therefore they are congruent because you have the transversal T cutting the 2 parallel lines, which you can tell they are parallel because of those symbols right there. Theorem 3 2 states that if 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent, which means you can see X here and this X. They are alternate because they are on the opposite side of the transversal, and they are interior because they are on the inside of those 2 parallel lines. And you'll also notice that angle Y is an alternate interior to this angle right there. They are congruent. Theorem 3 is one that we did not talk about yesterday. We have if 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the same side interior angles are supplementary. So what that means is that this angle added to this angle will give you 180. So if we were to say that the angle right here was, we'll say 150, then this angle here must be 30 degrees. And the same can be said for these angles. These also will add up to be 180. Same side, and again, interior. The last theorem is 3 which says if a transversal is perpendicular to one of those parallel lines, like this one, it's automatically going to be perpendicular to the other one. Why is that? Because these 2 lines are parallel, and they are going to be the same distance apart. They don't touch. They're perfectly straight. Therefore, if you've got a perpendicular up here, then you will create a perpendicular down there.